Some nights feel heavier than the world itself. Your mind races with worry, your chest feels tight, and every problem seems too big to handle. But what if I told you that Allah is speaking directly to your heart right now, saying, "Calm down, trust me. I am with you"? This is not just advice. It is a promise meant to soothe the restless soul. Life pushes us. Deadlines, responsibilities, relationships, and the unknown can make anyone feel overwhelmed. You wake up, and the weight of yesterday's mistakes clings to you. You fear tomorrow's challenges before they even arrive. You try to control everything, but control is an illusion. This constant struggle exhausts you. Allah sees it all. He knows the battles you fight silently. And His message is simple: you do not carry this alone. Take a moment and breathe. Close your eyes and remember that every difficulty has a limit, a measure, and a purpose. Allah never burdens a soul beyond what it can bear. That includes you. Even when your heart trembles, even when your prayers feel unanswered, trust that the same one who knows your pain also holds your relief. There is beauty in surrender, strength in patience, and peace in trusting Allah's timing. Think about the small moments when stress fades, when a solution appears, when relief comes from unexpected directions. Those are not coincidences. Those are signs of Allah's care. Every struggle you face is not punishment. It is a lesson, a step, a chance to grow closer to Him. Your heart might feel heavy now, but it is being prepared for light, for ease, for moments of gratitude you cannot yet imagine. Do not let worry steal today from you. Focus on what you can do, but leave the rest to Allah. Pray sincerely, work sincerely, and then let go. Anxiety and fear cannot fix tomorrow. Only trust, patience, and faith can carry you through. The more you hand over your worries to Allah, the lighter your heart becomes. Peace starts with surrender, not control. Remember, Allah's love surrounds you even when it feels invisible. His mercy is endless, His wisdom unfathomable, and His plan always perfect. When stress creeps in, whisper to yourself, "I trust you." That one sentence can change the rhythm of your heart, calm the storm of your thoughts, and bring clarity to your day. You are never alone. You are never forgotten. So today, decide to release what you cannot carry alone. Smile through the struggle, breathe through the fear, and hold on to hope. Let Allah guide your steps. Let Him ease your heart. Let Him turn your trials into lessons, and your patience into strength. And if this message touched you, share it with someone who needs it, like the video, and subscribe to bring more reminders into your heart. Allah is with you, always.